Every great brand has a story, and every great logo it captures that story in a single unforgettable mark. Meet 7 Vibe, a music brand that's all about rhythm, energy, and vibes. When I was approached to design their logo, I knew one thing: it had to feel like music, not just look like it, but feel like it. I started with a simple question: what makes a great music logo? It should be bold, yet fluid, simple, yet full of movement. I played around with ideas: 7V, headphones, sound waves. Could I bring them all together in one sleek design? After a few sketches, I found it: a way to merge the 7 and V into a monogram that felt natural, dynamic, and effortless. With the concept clear, it was time to bring it to life. I started with the number 7 and tilted it slightly, shaping it into a V, almost like two musical notes coming together. Then the headphones. They wrapped around the monogram, giving it that unmistakable music identity. But something was missing: movement, sound, a pulse. So I added a subtle wave, nothing too complex, just enough to make the logo feel alive. Logos are not just about shapes, they are about balance. Every curve, every space between elements, it all matters. I tweaked, adjusted, refined the logo. Simplicity, a logo that could work on a website, an album cover, or even a pair of headphones. And there it was, the 7 Vibe logo, clean, modern, and full of rhythm. A brand's identity captured in a single mark. So, what do you think? Does this logo speak music to you? Let me know in the comments. And if you love minimalist design, don't forget to like and subscribe. More creative journeys coming your way.